Hey guys, bring another video to you. As promised, I'm going to do a little quick unboxing for my Bull Armory TAC Commander 45. Some of you guys are just now getting in your SAS Bull Armory 2 ultralights and kind of seeing those, which is awesome. So I wanted to do a quick little unboxing of the Bull Armory. It is the TAC Commander in 45. Let's get started if I don't drop this camera. Okay. So, this thing is, okay, so we got two mags. Let's pull that out first. I don't see any paperwork in here. Let's make sure. Here we go. So we got all the typical stuff, right? The stickers, magnets. They actually do a pretty good job here. I'm surprised on that. So, all right, let's get to the fun stuff. Here she is. Let's unwrap it. All right, so now we have this is the Bull Armory TAC Commander. I got it in 45, it does come in 9. This thing is nice. This thing is, wow, very nice. Some of you guys are familiar with the other Bull I have, and the SAS, of course, the SAS 2 Ultralight, but I decided I wanted to get something a little bigger. I do love the 2011s. As you guys know, I also really enjoy staccatos, and so I thought, well, let's try to get a Bull and see what this thing looks like. It feels really good. It's actually not that heavy. In fact, let me grab that feels really nice. Great front serrations, pretty grippy. I like that. It's not an adjustable sight, as you guys can see. It looks like it's gonna be really nice here. I'll video some shots through this too. Gilbert Perez, of course, over at GP Arms sent this to me. Ordered this, and I know you guys are getting a lot of yours in as well, which is great. I'm excited about that. I always feel guilty when I start pushing videos of guns that you guys don't have yet. But that thing is really, really nice. As all of the, really nice, good release. Just barely there. Just really, really, really light, crisp trigger. I think it's probably, I'm gonna guess it's probably that's gotta be 2.5, 3 pounds, maybe a little higher than 3.5, maybe, but feels like 3 pounds. So anyway, it does come with two, I believe these are 14 round. Learn how to put it in, and it's interesting because it's got the slant. My Bull SAS does not have that, but it feels really, really nice. Feels like it grips really well. Of course, as we said before, I have big hands, so I like the feel of this, and it's not that heavy. Let's grab let's get my scale real quick and see what the scale says. Okay, let's jump in here and let's see. All right. So 34.7 with the magazine. 31.5 without. That's pretty light for a Commander 45 that holds 14 rounds. Now, of course, this is not full or loaded, but it feels light. It feels really nice. It's got a great feel to it. So anyway, just want to give you a quick little update on the Bull Armory TAC Commander, SAS 2 TAC Commander. I am fast becoming a big fan of Bull as well as staccato, as you guys know. But anyway, just want to give you a heads up on that, and I'm looking forward to seeing your guys' videos of yours that you got coming in. So hope you enjoyed this, and comment below if you have any questions on this. Okay,